Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 18th, 2024, and we have a fascinating lineup of stories for you. From Apple's design choices to new product developments and intriguing tech hacks, we've got it all covered. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's kick things off with a discussion about Apple's Magic Mouse. Known for its sleek design, the Magic Mouse has recently been criticized for its practicality or lack thereof. The main issue? Its USB-C charging port is located on the bottom, making it unusable while charging. This design flaw has been a point of contention, especially after a recent interview with Tim Cook. While Cook didn't explicitly state a preference for the Logitech MX Master 3, his tech setup includes it, sparking debates about Apple's design philosophy. The Logitech mouse is praised for its ergonomic design and ability to charge while in use, highlighting areas where Apple's Magic Mouse could improve. Moving on to another Apple product phase-out, it seems the Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter is on its way out. Introduced with the iPhone 7 in 2016, this adapter is now sold out in many regions, signaling its impending discontinuation. This move aligns with Apple's transition to USB-C ports in its latest iPhone models. While the adapter served its purpose for 8 years, its relevance has diminished as Apple embraces newer standards. The company still offers a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, ensuring users can connect traditional headphones to modern devices. In a bit of a mix-up, reports recently suggested Tim Cook preferred the Logitech MX Master 3 over Apple's Magic Mouse. However, this was a misunderstanding. The confusion arose from an article by The Verge, where the author used the Logitech mouse, not Cook. This highlights the importance of accurate reporting, as misinformation quickly spread across social media. While the Magic Mouse's design could use an update, Cook's preference remains with Apple's products. Let's delve into some tech benchmarks with the GitHub repository, MLX vs PyTorch by Lucas Stee. This project compares the performance of MLX and PyTorch on Apple Silicon devices. The benchmarks reveal that MLX generally outperforms PyTorch, especially in inference tasks and CPU-GPU data transfer. For instance, MLX completed transformer language model training significantly faster than PyTorch. These findings suggest MLX might be a more efficient choice for AI development on Apple Silicon, providing valuable insights for developers. Looking ahead, Apple is reportedly preparing to release the AirTag 2 in mid-2025. This new version promises improved range, a better wireless chip, and enhanced privacy features. These upgrades address concerns about AirTags being misused for stalking, with Apple focusing on privacy enhancements. The AirTag 2 is currently undergoing manufacturing tests, indicating a timely release. With these improvements, the device is expected to be more effective for tracking items, maintaining consumer interest in Apple's tracking technology. Now, let's talk about some innovative apps. First up is Islet, a personalized health journal app for managing diabetes. It syncs glucose data with Apple Health, providing insights into how exercise affects blood sugar levels. Users can log meals with a barcode scanner and track glucose trends over time. Available through a subscription model, Islet offers a comprehensive solution for health management, prioritizing user privacy and security. Another app making waves is Lume, Stress and Wellness Coach. Developed by Tranquil Technologies LLC, Lume helps users manage stress with proactive monitoring and personalized suggestions. It encourages a holistic approach to wellness, focusing on daily wellness pillars. The app is free to download, with optional premium features, and has received positive feedback for its comprehensive resources. It's important to note that Lume is not a medical device and should not replace professional advice. Finally, a fascinating hack from India. 3 technologists managed to enable hearing aid features on Apple AirPods Pro 2 for their grandmothers, despite these features being unavailable in India. They used a homemade Faraday cage to trick the AirPods into thinking they were in a country where the features were available. This hack highlights the potential for technology to be adapted for accessibility, even in regions with restrictions. Their ingenuity not only provided a solution for their grandmothers, but also shed light on the broader issue of geolocation restrictions. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and insights into the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.